No way, stop. You did good. Are you trained? How epic was that? This thing is awesome. Pro Max Hover Air. So I've used one of these before, but this is a new and improved version. The one I had last time was white, and it was super, super fun to film with, so I'm excited to see how this thing works. I believe I just hold that right there, turn it on. Battery is 100%, and now, hold on, wait for it. Okay, so I get this little thing in the app. It says, tap to activate, connect. Press and hold the power button on your hover until the status light turns green. Green. Oh yeah, I forgot about all the noises it makes.
Current mode, hover.
Current mode, hover. Before Omni Terrain is activated, please avoid flying in the following environments. Water, low light, uncleared ground texture, large height variance. Are we okay? Okay, what do we want? Image quality Pro? Yeah, Pro. Standard or portrait? Okay, I have to download the update. Sorry.
This is my favorite little thing.
I know, this thing is so rad. Pro Max. It's so cool because it literally will like take off from your palm and then land back in your palm. And it's meant, so like if you're jogging or running, or in this version, skateboarding, you can just have it go up and it will just follow you and track you. I forgot how this works exactly, but we're gonna have to figure it out again because it's super good. Okay, we're almost downloaded. So I forget the modes though. When it just says hover, does that mean it just goes up?
I honestly don't remember. I just remember loving it.
Yeah. The shot that I want to get with this thing is like I want it to be above me and I want to roll and do a 360 flip. So, oh, here we go. Hover Expert 1 wants to join the Wi-Fi network. Join? Okay, it's downloading again, 11%. Okay, we're gonna see. Tray flip first try. If I got this first try, you owe me a burrito. Wow, good. And then I can't kickflip. Suck.
Without warm-up though, that was pretty epic.
I know. I did not expect that, to be honest. Helping all the people learn in the Braille Skateboarding Academy is helping me learn too. Okay, so I'm on the app and I'm gonna try and get this thing to fly. Switch to hover mode. Okay, we're on the hover. I forget how this works. Unfold the hover air, press the power button, release the device when the propeller starts spinning rapidly.
So you hold it with your hand and then they should start.
No, it doesn't just auto start like that, right?
Well, yeah, you gotta press hover. Did you press hover?
I mean, is it on the phone or on this?
On the app. Tap to enter the
The
hover.
device will hover after completing the flight path.
Ah!
Hold out your hand and place it 1 foot below the device. And wait for the device to land on your palm. Continue. Hover.
No!
Okay, 1 foot below the device.
1 foot below?
That's more than a foot, I think.
Is it recording? How do we know? How do you know it's recording? No way, stop. Stop. That was too good. How good is that? So I guess to make it go. Okay, so
Zoom out. Follow.
follow.
Yeah.
This is easy money. Okay, you ready?
Middle. Follow.
Okay, you're gonna follow me, but not too close. How weird is that? Oh, we gotta go back. We're gonna run it back, okay? I'm sorry I missed that. We're sure it's filming. Dang, don't mall grab. We're sure it's recording?
We don't know. It is following you around and it's so cute.
I know, right?
It's like a little puppy.
Pretty good follow, no? Oh, watch out, watch out. Oh, sorry. Okay, that's incredibly impressive. Like very, very impressive. Okay, buddy, come back to me. How wild is that?
The best.
So you saw, I went all the way through all of those, like between the trees, and I was like, for sure this is gonna hit the tree. And then it almost hit that girl though. Did you see that? I was like, oh no, watch out. She was like, so the red light is on, but does that mean it's recording?
You can check it in the app. You should be able to see your footage in the app.
Yeah.
There we go. There we go. Wow.
Look at my face.
Let me see.
Why did you guys tell me I look like that? Low res preview.
Oh, it's just a little preview.
That is awesome.
Okay, so,
That was you training him.
yeah. Are you trained? Big guy?
Orbit.
I also love the British voice. Orbit.
5 feet. Orbit.
5 feet orbit. Hey, Mom. Or maybe I shouldn't turn. Wait, go again. Rebate. He's like coming up on me.
He's like, what do I do? What do I do?
He's like, I did it. You did good. You did good. A good boy. That is like too creepy.
5 feet. Orbit.
Okay, I'm waiting on you, buddy. Get the angle. Run it back.
Spiral.
Run it back.
What's spiral?
Spiral? I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe it goes down and up?
8 feet. Spiral.
Well, we're gonna find out.
You're filming me, I'm filming you. It's like the Matrix. Oh, land a good tray flip, Aaron.
See, it's spiraling down now.
Rebate.
8 feet. Spiral.
Maybe he's waiting for you to go.
No, he like lines up his shot. Woo! Okay, should we try the other modes?
Ski mode.
What's ski mode?
I guess we can find out.
Ski mode.
You ready, ski mode? You're gonna follow me? Okay, relax, we're turning. It does track so good. I feel like I just need to get a couple shots where it's like a good trick. I'll try and do one right in front of you. Oh, I lost him. All right, come on over here, little buddy. Come down, come down. How epic was that? So good. I think ski mode is the way, because it's like a bit higher, right? Okay, that was super cool. I mean, I went as fast as I could go, and I was trying to lose it, and I didn't even lose it. The one time I lost it is in the air, and I was like, I wonder what it will do if I go straight below it. And it didn't handle it. But if I'm there, and I go to the side, no matter how fast I went, it tracked me. Pretty incredible. And then I went into the street and I kept thinking, there's no way this thing's gonna hit a pole. And there are a bunch of poles, light poles, all kinds of things, and it didn't hit anything. I'm really impressed. Okay.
And I feel like it has a little personality.
I know.
Indoor follow.
What do we call it?
360 spin.
360 spin? What's that?
I don't know, we'll find out.
Should we try?
Yeah.
Low battery.
Low battery. It still says like 14% on there, but I guess it's like, if we're flying and the battery goes out,
Yeah.
current mode, 360 spin. Okay, 360 spin, we're gonna try.
Fast spin. 360 spin.
Fast spin, 360 spin.
Please hold the device to face the user.
I got you, I'm right here. Oh, it does a 360 just like that. Is that what you guys were thinking? No, not me either.
Oh. Oh, so you can't see that from this camera. Oh, so if you want like a panoramic view.
Yeah.
Zoom out. Follow.
Zoom out?
Zoom out.
I don't know how to dance.
Yes, you do, Aaron. Just feel it. Imagine music is playing.
That's as far as it went. Zoom in. Well, that's pretty cool though. I wish it would repeat it, you know? Okay, well this thing was super fun. It does all the kinds of modes. I thought this thing is super, super impressive. I'm really impressed with how fast I was able to go and through all of the different locations. All right guys, well, this is really rad. I hope you guys are having an absolute blast learning how to ride a skateboard. Keep pushing. We'll see you in the next video.